friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead. Well, today I did a little bit of groceries and a little bit of gardening. Here's what I got for $120 at the grocery store. Now, this isn't any grocery store. This is Maxi. And Maxi in Quebec is like No Frills in Ontario. And this still, now I'm just gonna say, I got 6 jars of the Catelli in the glass. If I can get spaghetti sauce inexpensive in glass, it lasts much longer. You don't have to worry about, you know, the tomato sauce about, wrecking the inside of the can. So it's better for long term. I got 6 of those. They were on for $1.50. I got some bananas. I start them green because Howie eats them all week long. I was surprised that their pasta, even their no-name pasta, was... Here is some large flake oatmeal. Let's get through all this other stuff. Some bologna. I have chicken for him, so I can, you know, make it stretch. This, well, this is going to be a dessert project. These are chocolate wafers. And there's whipped cream. There's another clue to the dessert. All right, let's get down to, well, what else do we have? Another clue to a dessert, strawberries. And that dessert is going to be from the recipe box. Puddings for dessert. Yes, I was medicated. These were, I believe, $5.78, or yeah, they were $5 and change. So those are my eggs. Cereal for Howie. Now let's get to the meat. All right, I've got my vacuum sealer out for a few of these items because they were not cheap, folks. All of this cost me, these I believe were $6. These hamburger packages, soy sauce, hamburger packages were approximately $10 each, and that's supposed to be lean. I remember lean being a lot redder than that. Now, oh, I got some brown sugar for another recipe box project. All right, so we're down to the meat here. Okay, so these steaks are beef sirloin tip steaks. Now, each one of those would do us a meal, okay? And there's 3 in a package, and they were on 30% off. Now, these were $15.99 at 30% off. So these were approximately $10.30 each, with making each steak a little over $3. The hamburger and sausages, these are going to be vacuum sealed. I'm just going to put these away right now. So while we were out, I went back to the Canadian Tire, a different Canadian Tire garden center, and I got myself some tomato cages. And I was really upset, actually, because they weren't priced. So, and then I had to pick through them because all the soldering joints were giving away on them. I'm going to cut this pack into 4, and that will be a package each, $2.50 or $2.49 per package. I'm going to say that's a pretty good summary, if you ask me, because it's just the 2 of us, right? So I got some tomato cages, paid the exorbitant price for the cheapest ones I could get, which were $1.99, and I picked through them to take the ones that weren't broken, and then when I got them home, they were broken. Stupid, cheap crap. This is the same price you'd pay for, in Giant Tiger, you'd pay $5 for a tube of hamburger. And if you manage to get the ones that are in a bag, they're 3 for $10. So I'm getting 4 out of each package because, again, there's only 2 of us. And if I want to make meatloaf, I can take out more than 1, but that's just fine for a pot of spaghetti, right? Okay, there is 8 meals of hamburger for $2.45 a meal. I'll get them in the freezer and I'll be right back. This was sunflower oil and it was $12.99 for 3 liters. It's not even a full gallon. All right, here we got some deli style sausages. And I have no idea what kind they are, but there's 3 different kinds. And what Howie doesn't know is I'm going to make these all 4 to a meal. These were not cheap. I'm pretty sure these were $6 or $7. To be on the safe side, let's roll it up and just get the air out of it. We're gonna say $7. So 2, 4, 6. They're gonna say $2.50 a meal. Now I'm going to put these in the freezer and I'm going to wash my hands and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with those steaks. And let's work with these steaks. Get my phone out of here. Now, this is how I do my steaks. I'm going to get this down in here. Oh, shut up! I'm going to get this steak down in here as best as I can. It doesn't have to be flat. And I'm going to put in a little bit of olive oil. I used to do this with my goat meat and everything. A little bit of steak spice. And then vacuum seal it. It's like sealing in the marinade. Don't put too much olive oil in or it won't seal. Right. They look crappy now, but wash those. Give them a really good soak in Dawn and vinegar. And, you know, come Christmas time, if you want to send treats into work with your husband, cover it in tin foil or Christmas wrap. Put your treats on it and then you put your plastic wrap over it. And you're not worried about spending money on giving trays away that may not come home. I got my chamomile in right there. All the tomatoes in the front are now in cages. All the tomatoes in the front are now in cages. That little grayish plant right there, that's rosemary, parsley, sage, thyme, chives, and that's curry. And it smells like curry. Wonderful. And over here, I just put in some golden zucchini and some green zucchini. This is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, and that's your garden and grocery update. Keep pinching them quarters and make them fart an extra nickel. There's all kinds of ways you can do it. Take care, God bless. Don't forget to click the link below for your 4 jars canning lids. They're thicker than any disposable lid on the market. They're made with stainless steel. And if you order $60 or more in the US, your shipping is free. Check out their channels on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok.